Rain and severe thunderstorms crossing southern and eastern Australia this week. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning over South Australia at the moment. Now, this is for storms that may produce heavy rainfall, which could lead to flash flooding, damaging wind gusts, and also the possibility of large hail. So if you're in this area, it's really important to stay across the conditions. Now, looking at our satellite picture, we do see that there is a low pressure system moving through the Bight. It has crossed Western Australia, and it is extending a cold front over South Australia at the moment. If we look at the water vapour imagery though, we can see the moisture being dragged down from the Indian Ocean, and that's giving a lot of energy to this system as it intensifies over South Australia today. Looking at our forecast, we do have that cold front sitting over South Australia and the low pressure system in the Bight. Now, this is giving a band of rain and thunderstorms over eastern parts of the state and also through the south. Now, these storms may produce severe weather, as we've already seen there are warnings current, and further warnings will be issued as required. As we move into the end of the day, we do see that rain and thunderstorms start to move into the eastern states during the overnight period, and then through Thursday extending across much of the east of the country. Now, we could see storms anywhere from Queensland right down to Victoria, but the area most likely to see severe thunderstorms is through inland parts of Queensland and also northern New South Wales, north of about Bourke. As we move later into Thursday, things contract eastwards, and on Friday we do start to see a clearing trend, with showers clearing mostly from Queensland and New South Wales, but the low pressure system does maintain showers through Victoria, southern New South Wales and Tasmania. Our total forecast rainfall shows the rain spreading across southern and eastern parts, widespread falls of 15 to 40 millimetres, with some locally heavier falls, particularly with thunderstorms. Now, the heaviest rainfall is expected to be through inland parts of Queensland, New South Wales and northern Victoria. Now, this is of concern because we do have a number of flood warnings in these areas and they are saturated. So minor to moderate flood warnings through Queensland, inland New South Wales and parts of Victoria, with the potential even for major flooding in the Lachlan River early next week. Now, any of these areas could see renewed river rises with the forecast rainfall this week, and that may also act to prolong the flooding that's already occurring. We also have a flood watch for a number of other catchments, mostly for minor to moderate flooding through parts of New South Wales and Victoria. So it's important, if you're in these areas, to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings. This is an evolving situation and warnings will be issued as required. Thunderstorm warnings in particular are issued as the storms occur, so it's really important to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on the Bureau app and website, and keep an eye on our social media channels. Follow all advice from your local emergency services and please stay safe.